the perfect blend of power, precision, and speed and digital convenience. The Cuisinart Precision Pro 5.5-quart digital stand mixer. Equipped with a high-performance 500-watt motor, this digital stand mixer powers through even the heaviest of mixing jobs. With its large 5.5-quart capacity bowl, 12 speed settings, 3 programmed recipe functions, which includes 7 tasks. It all starts with the turn of the digital LED dial to start creating in the kitchen. With a dough hook, set the stand mixer to create delicious homemade breads and pizza easily as the pre-programmed function does the mixing and kneading for you. Attach the flat mixing paddle and turn the dial to the mixing setting. First, add your dry ingredients and turn the dial to dry ingredient mixing. Once the countdown timer on the LED dial is complete, set dry ingredients aside to reserve. Add your wet ingredients and turn the LED dial to creaming. Add your dry ingredients to continue the mixing process. The automatic pre-programmed countdown timer will beep once mixing is complete. Use the chef's whisk attachment and pre-program the unit to the whisking function to create creamy, homemade whipped cream in minutes. Attach the splash guard with pour spout for maximum versatility and minimal mess. Use the manual mode to customize your desired speed settings. Die-cast housing provides superior durability and commercial-style mixing for today's everyday kitchen. The tilt-back head allows easy access to the mixing bowl, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Get creative in the kitchen with the Cuisinart Precision Pro 5.5-quart digital stand mixer.
Introducing the Artisan Series Tilt Head Stand Mixer with Premium Accessory Pack, available exclusively on KitchenAid.com. The KitchenAid pastry beater is a specialized beater for stand mixers that can substitute for a pastry cutter and tackle the challenging task of cutting cold butter into flour without melting. Not only that, this beater is great for everything from shredding meats to mashing potatoes. Also included in this bundle is our redesigned Secure Fit pouring shield. This shield snaps securely to your stainless steel bowl for a better fit. In this exclusive bundle, you'll find not only a custom KitchenAid Artisan tilt head stand mixer, but an array of special accessories, including a 5-quart 2-tone brushed stainless steel bowl, a 3-quart stainless steel bowl, subtle silver variations of the dough hook and flex edge beater, a wire whip, the pastry beater with silicone scraper, and Secure Fit pouring shield with improved fit. This exclusive bundle is available only on our website and includes a custom Artisan stand mixer available in 9 striking colors. Visit KitchenAid.com today to choose yours. Explore stand mixer attachments, accessories, and more at KitchenAid.com.
Mix it all up with the Hamilton Beach 6-speed hand mixer with pulse. With 290 watts of peak power, the Hamilton Beach 6-speed hand mixer gives you ultimate control over your mixtures, from slow-speed pulse to high-speed burst. Mixing dry ingredients too fast can make a mess, so we've added an innovative pulse function. This feature gives you more control when gradually incorporating ingredients on the lowest speed. And no more searching through drawers for misplaced beaters. You can store all 6 attachments in the snap-on case with the mixer. Attachments include twisted wire beaters, a milkshake mixer, dough hooks, and a whisk. The Hamilton Beach 6-speed hand mixer. Now that's good thinking.